Hi everyone, welcome to Guide to Fluency, where we review language programs and apps to help you on your language learning journey. Today I'll be comparing two very different language apps, Fluenz and Babbel. Fluenz will help you follow a series of in-depth video lessons to learn another language. Babbel, on the other hand, is a game-like learning app with short drill-type lessons. I'll let you in on the biggest differences between the two apps, and by the end of this video you'll have a good understanding of what both apps are like and which one will be a better fit for you. In case you need more information, there is a detailed written review over on our website. All you got to do to get there is Google Guide to Fluency, Fluenz versus Babbel. I want to start off by giving you a quick overview of both apps. Let's start with Fluenz. Fluenz's program is different from Babbel because it focuses on video instruction instead of quick drills. When you learn with Fluenz, you'll work your way through levels. Each of these levels are made up of multiple lessons. Each of these lessons will start off with an introductory video giving context about what you'll be learning. On average, these lessons take about 45 minutes to complete. Babbel is pieced into several levels and topics. Each Babbel lesson within those levels has you work through an array of interactive drills. Listen and repeat, digital flashcards, fill in the blanks, speaking practice, mock conversations, and little grammar tips. The lessons usually take about 15 minutes. Overall, their lessons just feel comprehensive and with just enough variety to keep them from feeling monotonous. Plus, outside of the main lessons with Babbel, there are daily review sessions with spaced repetition on vocab, and other extras like games, audio lessons, podcasts, and even a digital magazine. Basically, they pack their curriculum into engaging lessons and then reinforce what you learn with personalized review sessions and other bonus tools. As far as pricing is concerned between these programs, one of the biggest differences is that Fluenz does not offer any monthly subscription options. You either have to purchase access to each level for a specific language individually, or you can purchase an all-level package. For example, for Fluent Spanish, you can purchase level 1 for around $190, or all 5 levels at once for around $400. They do also still offer those immersion programs depending on where you're located. Babbel, on the other hand, starts at $8 to $15 per month after promotional discounts. Their lifetime plan starts at around $300. However, Babbel is usually always running some kind of sale or promotion, so check the description down below. I'll keep all of the latest promo codes that I can find linked down there. So let's talk about what we like best about these apps, starting with Babbel. First, I love the structure of Babbel's lessons. They're fast-moving, diverse, and super convenient. And what's new in 2025 for Babbel is their AI conversation mode, Babbel Speak, where you can easily follow a scripted conversation about a common topic to get a feel for the actual phrases people use in common day-to-day scenarios. Their AI speech recognition software then gives real-time feedback to help you improve your pronunciation. I also really like how Babbel does grammar instruction. They keep it light to not bog you down with the rules. Instead, their grammar snippets are subtly woven into the lesson, so you're just focusing on one quick teaching point at a time. Second, we prefer the guided approach to language learning Babbel offers. Babbel does a great job providing a clear, logical course progression so you never feel lost or confused about what to do next. I really appreciate their smart, streamlined setup, plus their user experience is awesome with a modern interface and really sleek look. All in all, it's a pretty comprehensive experience. Okay, last up here for Babbel, we like that they use lots of English directions and translations. Not all language companies out there do this. We get the merits of the immersion argument, but when you're learning a new language and you're just thrown into it from day one, it can be frustrating and potentially even burn you out early on. So I like that Babbel guides you with English directions that fade out as you progress from beginner to intermediate. It's just like the grammar tips. Babbel has found a nice balance that holds your hand early on, then has you take on more challenging lessons once you develop a basic understanding of the language, making it especially great for beginners. Now let's get into Fluenz. Fluenz holds a key advantage by incorporating videos into their lessons, which I consider a significant benefit. Each session begins with an introductory video where an instructor presents core concepts and establishes the foundation for the upcoming material. Following this, users engage in a series of practice drills, or workouts as they call them. Between these workouts are additional videos that further explain and break down the concepts you're learning. This integrated video approach proved highly effective. While the videos occasionally felt somewhat over-animated, the presence of an on-screen instructor guiding the lesson was consistently helpful, significantly improving material retention. The second advantage for Fluenz is its use of video instructors. This creates a classroom-like atmosphere rather than a game-like one. Fluenz aims to simulate one-on-one tutoring sessions, and while it's pre-recorded, it offers a distinct feel compared to most language learning apps. Therefore, if you thrive in a classroom setting more than a self-study or gamified experience, Fluenz could be a good choice for you. So those are our thoughts on the two programs. Now it's time for our final thoughts. But before I get to that, I'd like to mention that here at Guide to Fluency, we're on a mission to help 1 million people learn a second language. As part of that goal, we're giving away a free language learning subscription to one of our subscribers. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to our channel and comment on this video. So let's get back to it. Which is better, Babbel or Fluenz? Well, if we're being honest, despite Fluenz's nice videos, we think Babbel is a much better program for learning a language. Their fun, diverse drills and exercises, rapid-fire lessons, and quick review sessions make language learning feel quick and manageable. I also like that they include English directions and translations early on, weave in grammar tips with the smartly structured course, and it helps that they're more affordable. So ultimately, we have to give the win to Babbel. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more language learning content. Bye for now.